When cars and trucks require that next level of clean and appearance, it's time to switch gears and reach for AUTOKLEEN Car Wash. The dual wetting system penetrates fast to remove dirt and films, while the reconditioning agents leave your vehicles looking like they belong back in the showroom. AUTOKLEEN is ideally suited for car wash self-serve bays to provide superior, film-free cleaning for all types of vehicles, including the interiors. Whether it's cars, trucks, buses, golf carts, trailers, vans, or even boats, AUTOKLEEN gets your vehicle clean and looking as good as new.